In this CMC Fundamentals video, Senior Instructor Dan Kazmierski will demonstrate how to do a thorough system safety check. It's important that thorough system safety checks are conducted by multiple rescuers prior to loading of any rope system. Those checks should include both visual inspections and a touch test. When a rescuer is conducting a system safety check, but can't physically touch a component in the system because it's out of reach, they should at least point to it. So starting at our anchor, we're going to make sure that all the carabiners are locked. We're then going to check the threads on the tri-links and make sure that they're all fully engaged. Then we're going to want to check whatever we use for our anchors, whether it be rope, webbing, or straps, to make sure that they have proper edge protection. And we make sure that the carabiners are attached properly in the system. And in this case, when using the fast-link anchor straps, we make sure that the red T-rated carabiners are connected to the tri-link, not to the load carabiner. Check that nothing is cross-loaded on either the carabiners or anchor plates. Next, we check that our descent control devices are properly configured. In this case, with the clutch, we're making sure the side plates are fully engaged, that the handle's in that lock position, and that the rope is rigged properly. Next, we move on to our change of direction. We want to check that edge protection has good coverage all the way around the anchor point. In this case, since we're using 1-inch tubular and solid webbing, we're making sure that the water knots have at least a 3-inch tail on each side or the width of your palm. Then we want to check our carabiners to make sure they're not cross-loaded and that they're locked. And that all the pulley side plates are fully closed. Now once we get up to the edge, if we're using edge protection that has grooves in it for the rope, we want to make sure that the rope is firmly placed in those grooves so that it won't jump out. We want to make sure there's at least 2 layers of canvas underneath the edge pro, and we want to make sure that all the edge protection, in this case multiple layers of it, is tied off in a way to keep it from sliding either forward or horizontally. Additionally, check that the tie-offs are angled outward whenever possible to keep the forward pressure of the rope from moving the edge protection or from bunching it up.